Welcome to Irie AT, Braille and Innovation.
Welcome back to the Tiger Software Suite tutorials. In Tutorial 5, we will be demonstrating how to insert a graphic and text label into your Microsoft Word document. Alright guys, so now before we get started, you're going to of course want to have Microsoft Word open on your PC. So the next thing you're going to want to do to insert a graphic is you're going to select the Insert option within the toolbar. And of course you have the ability to insert pictures, shapes, icons, a few different options in here. But for now we're just going to go ahead and select the Shapes drop-down. Let's go in here and select something. Oh, it looks like I've recently used a star. Let's go ahead and do that one. Alright, now I'm going to left mouse click and drag it to the size I want. And you'll notice that the star or our graphic has a fill in there, so we can go ahead and remove that if we like. I'm going to right click, select the fill drop down, select the color white, and you'll also notice that the outline of the shape itself is a different color. It shouldn't matter too much, but if you like, I'll go ahead and change it to black just for visual reference. It'll definitely pop out at you. Now, we're going to want to add in a text label to our document. So we're going to go again back up to Insert, and then if we navigate over towards the right side of the toolbar, there is a text box drop down. I'm going to go ahead and select that option. And when I do that, I'm going to select the first option, which is Simple Text Box. And you'll notice now that it has placed a text box within our document. I'm going to go ahead and delete the text within there. And we're going to go ahead and give this a name. Let's go with star. Now we're going to want to increase the size of the font to 29 because that is the standard size of a Braille character within Word. There we go. Now you'll also notice that our text box has a border around it and it will emboss that, so we probably want to remove that. So again, I'm going to go ahead and right click on the text box, select outline, and we'll select white so that it disappears. Perfect, there we go. Everything looks good. Now I think we're ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and select the Tiger add-in. We're going to go ahead and translate document. Let's go ahead and give this a name. We'll go with star. We'll just save it to my desktop for now. Hit save. And there we go. And we can go ahead and line this up if anything kind of got goofed in translation. Now everything looks good. We're going to go ahead and select File, Print. Make sure your embosser is selected, and hit Print, and you're ready to go. There you go, folks. You've now inserted a graphic and a text label into your Tiger Software Suite software. Thanks for watching Tiger Software Suite Tutorial 5. Don't forget to check out Tutorial 6, where we demonstrate the Tiger Designer Tactile Graphics program tools and functions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on our latest and greatest content.